Today we're going to show you how to grow peppers indoors. We've grown peppers before. Today we're actually growing a jalapeno pepper. It's called a Pot-A-Peño hybrid by Totally Tomatoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick our first harvest. It may be hard to see in this video, but when you look inside here, there are a lot of peppers, and we're going to actually harvest them and see how many we have. And as the others mature, we're going to let them grow, and then we'll let them turn red. But this time we're going to get while they're still in the green stage. We planted our pepper plant in a pot, a 14-inch bloom pot, and it has a mixture of coconut coir and vermiculite inside it. And it's a self-watering container. As you can see, there's a little opening here that we actually pour our nutrient water into. So we started by using General Hydroponics Maxi Grow for the first 6 weeks or so. And then as the plant started flowering, we switched to the General Hydroponics Maxi Bloom. And you only water it from the top when you plant the seed, and then later you always add water to the bottom. So it's a very healthy looking plant. It's grown under one 17-inch Procyon 2.0 light, and the plant will not actually get a whole lot bigger than this. So our light basically is hanging right around here with a tomato trellis around it. It looks really successful. We're really excited to show you what we've learned about growing peppers indoors. And now we're going to harvest them. And Devin and I have guessed on how many peppers we have. I'm guessing 32, she guessed 28, and we'll find out who is the closest here in a few minutes. And we have got 38 peppers here.